we've got two different cameras available. The first are the P100s. Now these are the world's most affordable full NDI PTZ cameras. They're 10x cameras, optical zoom, 1080p 60. They work with BirdDog comms. They work with full NDI, so there's very little latency whatsoever. It's available in black and white, and you get dual output. You get NDI or SDI output. Then there's the big brother. That's this one right here, and this is the P200. And the P200 is really, it's the go-to. This is one of our best-selling webcams. The folks love it. It's the cornerstone. At $27.99, what you're getting is full NDI with low latency. You're getting, on the back, you're getting NDI, you're getting HDMI, and you're getting SDI. This one's got the Sony CMOS sensor and Sony image module. Sony mechanics, the movement is so silky smooth. It works with BirdDog comms. It's available in black and white as well.